So after 50,000 miles, my wipers just started wearing down heavily, especially the right one. The strip actually ripped off. So I'm actually replacing it. Then I realized that these Rain-X ones that I got from the local parts store, even though it's the correct size, 16 for this side, 26 on this side, it actually doesn't fit because they look like this. I'm going to take this out of the box just to show you. To remove the wiper blade, you just press the square button down and pull outwards. Be very careful not to damage the washer fluid sprayer. Again, to remove the factory wipers, you just press the button, the square button, and pull outwards. Be very careful putting this back down temporarily. It's completely different than most universal ones. Even these adapters that come with the Rain-X or other Bosch style wiper blades are not compatible. It's completely different. It would take a lot of modification, so you'd have to go with an OEM Subaru one or one that I just got. This company, Aero, is the only aftermarket manufacturer that I've found that makes replacement wiper blades that have the same mounting style as the factory Subaru ones. Let's check it out. This set that I ordered from Amazon came as a pair and actually came with an extra set of inserts in case you need to change these out in like a year or so. So it comes with a refill. So they already come ready to install. The strips have a protector on them. You just slide it off. And the mounting point looks identical to the factory Subaru one. Just doesn't have the markings on it, so we'll see how well this fits, but looks like the OEM ones, just without the marking. And they come with extra inserts, so it's like buying two sets. I will leave links in the description where I got this from Amazon and where else you can get it, along with factory Subaru ones in case you do want to go that route. Let's test fitment. Snap right in. Perfect fit. Slide it into place. Pull back. That's it. Perfect fit. Just make sure that they work and don't make any odd squeaking. Cool. Considering that the factory Subaru blades are almost 3 times as much as this pair, I'm definitely happy that I found these. That and it came with an extra set of inserts. Can't really complain. So if you found this information useful or helpful in any way, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you like this kind of content, want to keep up with my Crosstrek project, consider subscribing to my channel. But for today, this is going to be it. Thank you for watching.